Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to activate, how to turn on the OTG connection on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on additional settings. And as you can see in the second section at the very bottom of it, actually we've got the OTG connection option, which is right now turned off. So if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active. You can turn it off using two different ways, let's say. Of course, you can turn it off manually just by tapping on the switcher again, or you can wait 10 minutes, because here we've got the information that the OTG connection will be automatically turned off when it will be not in use for 10 minutes. So it's up to you. So actually this is it. This is how to activate OTG connection in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.